Hello everyone, I am Patrika Patel from Carrot IT Solutions Private Limited. Today I am going to explain you about the multi-level marketing in Odoo. Multi-level marketing is a marketing strategy for the sale of product or services where the revenue of the MLM company is derived from a non-salaried workforce selling the company's product or services, while the earning of the participants are derived from the pyramid shape or binary compensation commission system. We have developed this app for the Android mobile and it's also connect with the Odoo. Let's start. This is the MLM marketing app and we can see that this is the dashboard for the payment. We can see the draft or how much invoices are paid or how much is in draft. Let's start with the configuration. This is the configuration. We have a number of nodes per level. Means how many nodes we have to set per level. So 4 nodes we have to set per level and maximum child level is 10. We can set as per our requirement. This is the bonus. We can set the bonus like for after the level 1 the bonus will be the 1000 rupees and after the level 2 completed the bonus will be the 2000 like that. So we can create the bonus as per the level. This is the product and we click over here and we can see that the products, these are the different products over here. So the product are stockable products and the sales price or commission, joining fees, all the details we have to enter over here. We also can set the tax detail for this. We can set the tax detail for customer taxes over here. Let's check with MLM nodes. This is our MLM nodes. For example, this is my parent node and the channel, the sub nodes or the child nodes are displayed over here. See, this is the main node and the child nodes are displayed over here. The Mr. Dinesh Shah is a node, so we have to activate his node option over here. And this is the parent node for the Carrot is a parent node for this Mr. Dinesh Shah. We also have to verify the mobile or Aadhaar card or PAN card number. That means that these are the KYC detail for the candidate. For example, if we create one node, and the parent node, suppose it's a parent node and mobile verified or not, so we can have the mobile verification from here. This is the Aadhaar card number and the PAN card number over here. Address detail and the city, state and the country. We have select the gender over here and its marital status. These fields are optional. And the purchase detail, which product purchased by this person. So let's take one product and the quantity, and you can see that the joining fee is displayed automatically and the subtotal will be calculated as per that. We also set the unit price in our product, so it will automatically display over here. Let's save it. And activate. So we can see the invoice is automatically generated for that, mobile verified and all the KYC details, and this is the purchase details and invoice number. Invoice will be created automatically, so invoice number will be displayed over here and it will display the invoice will be generated. So this is how we can use this candidate for the parent node. Let's check in Minal. See, in my channel we can see the Roshni over here. So this is the child node and this is the parent node, like that. So we can create the tree like this. That's parent node and child node. And after completing, as we have said, the 4 nodes, so after completing the 4, the level 1 will be automatically activated. This is my channel option. We can see the 4 person name over here and the level 1 is automatically set. This is the purchase detail, which product purchased by this person. This is the earning details for this person and for which node, how much earning for which node, it will automatically display over here, and total earning or payment or balance will be displayed. BVP, business value points, and bonus, that will be comes from our mobile app automatically. This is the contact details. If I have any contact, so it will display over here. This is the internal notes detail, sales and purchase, and invoicing details. You can see that the invoice from here also. Click on it and the invoice detail for this customer, it will be displayed over here. In action button, we can see that the monthly turnover for this customer. So we can see the monthly turnover. Also send SMS to this person. So we can send the SMS to this person also by this send SMS option. Type the message and send it. After activating the candidate, the SMS will be sent automatically to this person for his activation. So this is the MLM nodes. Then payment details for the MLM. You can see how much invoices is created and how much is paid, or some invoices is in draft. So we also can see the details for that. This is the customer invoice option. So we can see all the paid invoice from here. If we open any invoice and in action button, we can also delete this invoice if we do not require, or some invoices are created wrongly. We also can generate the GST invoice report from here. This is the GST invoice report. We can print the report like this. We also can set the we already have set the taxes in our product. Let me check. See, this is the GST 5%. We already set it over here. This is the due payment report. When we click on it, and it will be generate the Excel file. So click on make Excel, due payment report, and we can generate the due payment report for which person. It will display the name of the person or its ID, and it's all the details, bank details, and all these things which we have filled in their form, and how much total due payment is displayed. So we also can generate the reports for that. And this is the dashboard for draft or paid invoice. In MLM payment, we can see the group by partners also. So we can see the which person, how much invoices or how much payment is done by the which person. So it will be displayed like this. So this is the group by, or we also can see the journal, how much payment from which bank, like that, or some payment method. We can also use the payment method over here. We also have the option for the wallet, deduct from wallet. It will be directly deduct from your wallet for such amount. and it will be done from the our Android app. We also can do directly payment from here, and here also we can see that the deduct from wallet option, so we can also deduct from it, but these all options are comes from the Android device. So this is how we can use the multi-level marketing in Odoo, and we can generate the mobile app also, and that will be connected for our Odoo, and we can see the reports and details from Odoo also. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.